How to find your user ID on CoinEx. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Finding your user ID on CoinEx is pretty simple once you're logged in. So here's how you do it. First things first, launch open your CoinEx app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of CoinEx, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, tap on your username at the top, and in the basic info section, you'll see your user ID at the very top. Your user ID is a long string of numbers, which is 7-digit long. Tap the copy button right next to the user ID to copy the user ID on your device's clipboard. You will need it for supports or referrals later. You can also write down your user ID in a piece of paper or just take a screenshot of this page for future use. So that is how you find your user ID on CoinEx. It is easy once you know where to look. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.